Here's how to transfer Bitcoin using the Crypto.com app, step by step. First, open the Crypto.com app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Accounts at the bottom. Then tap Crypto Wallet. Find and select Bitcoin, BTC, from your list of assets. Now tap Transfer. Then choose Withdraw. Select External Wallet to send Bitcoin outside of Crypto.com. If you haven't added a wallet address yet, tap Add Wallet Address. Paste the BTC address you want to send to. Choose the network. Make sure it matches the destination, usually Bitcoin network. Give it a label like My Wallet. Tap Continue and pass the 2FA or email verification. Once saved, go back and select Wallet. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send and tap Withdraw. Review the transaction details, including network fee, and tap Confirm. That's it. Your Bitcoin transfer will now process and show under your withdrawal history. And that's how you transfer Bitcoin using the Crypto.com app. Fast, secure, and fully mobile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.